Hello everyone, welcome back to Road to Ownership. Let's further our knowledge in real estate. Today our title is Planning for Major Renovations with Equity in Mind. Before we continue, please take a second and subscribe to this channel. It will be greatly appreciated. Today, we are diving into a topic that can be both exciting and a little daunting. Planning major renovations with equity in mind. Whether you're flipping a house or settling into your forever home, renovations can truly transform a property. We're going to explore how strategic planning can maximize your return on investment. Renovating is about more than just making your home look amazing. It's a chance to increase your property's value and build equity. By understanding the right strategies, you can make smart decisions that pay off both now and in the long run. Let's get started. Before we jump into the exciting world of renovations, let's define what we mean by equity. Simply put, equity is the value of your property minus what you owe on your mortgage. As you pay down your mortgage, your equity grows. But here's the exciting part. Strategic renovations can accelerate this growth. Think of it like this. Every improvement you make to your home has the potential to increase its market value. This means that if you decide to sell in the future, you could walk away with a larger profit. Equity isn't just about selling your home someday. It's a valuable financial asset. It can be tapped into for things like home equity loans or lines of credit, which can be helpful for unexpected expenses or even funding further improvements down the line. Not all renovations are created equal when it comes to building equity. The key is to focus on projects that offer the highest return on investment. This means understanding what buyers in your market are looking for and prioritizing those upgrades. For example, imagine you're considering two renovation projects: finishing your basement or remodeling your kitchen. While a finished basement can add living space, a stunning modern kitchen is often a bigger draw for potential buyers and can significantly impact your home's value. It's important to research current design trends and understand what features are in high demand. A real estate agent can be a valuable resource in providing insights into your local market. Remember, a well-planned renovation can transform your house into a highly desirable property, attracting buyers and boosting its market value. Let's talk about the rooms that often offer the biggest bang for your buck: kitchens and bathrooms. These spaces are essential to daily living, and buyers are willing to pay a premium for updated, functional, and stylish designs. Think about it. A beautiful modern kitchen can be the heart of a home, a gathering place for family and friends. Similarly, a spa-like bathroom offers a retreat from the everyday. Upgrading these areas can significantly impact how potential buyers perceive your entire house. When renovating kitchens and bathrooms, focus on quality materials and timeless designs that will stand the test of time. Think quartz or granite countertops, energy-efficient appliances, and sleek fixtures. These upgrades not only enhance functionality, but also create a sense of luxury and desirability. Don't underestimate the power of first impressions. Curb appeal plays a major role in attracting buyers. A well-maintained exterior and inviting landscaping can make a world of difference. Think about it. When you drive up to a house, the first thing you see is the exterior. If it's appealing and well cared for, it sets a positive tone for the entire viewing experience. This initial impression can significantly influence a buyer's perception of the property's value. Consider investing in fresh paint, updated landscaping, and even minor repairs like fixing cracked walkways or replacing outdated lighting. These upgrades can make your home stand out from the competition and create a welcoming atmosphere that buyers will love. Section 6. Energy efficiency, a smart investment. In today's world, energy efficiency is more important than ever. Buyers are increasingly drawn to homes with features that reduce their environmental footprint and save them money on utility bills. Upgrading insulation, installing energy-efficient windows and doors, and even investing in solar panels can not only make your home more comfortable, but also increase its value. These upgrades demonstrate a commitment to sustainability, which is becoming increasingly important to home buyers. Consider having an energy audit conducted on your home to identify areas for improvement. You might be surprised at the impact even small changes can make. Remember, energy-efficient homes are not only good for the environment, but also good for your wallet. Section 7. Budgeting and financing your renovation. Now that we've explored some exciting renovation ideas, let's talk about the practical side budgeting and financing. It's essential to have a clear understanding of your financial limits before you start swinging any sledgehammers. Determine how much you're comfortable spending and explore different financing options. This might involve tapping into your savings, taking out a home equity loan, or exploring renovation loans. Remember, it's crucial to factor in a contingency fund for unexpected expenses that may arise during the renovation process. Don't be afraid to get creative with your budget. Consider prioritizing certain upgrades over others and explore cost-effective alternatives that don't compromise on style or quality. Remember, a well-planned budget will help you stay on track and avoid overspending. Section 8. Hiring professionals and planning permits. Unless you're a seasoned DIYer, it's generally advisable to hire qualified professionals for major renovations. This includes contractors, plumbers, electricians, and designers. Their expertise will ensure that the work is done correctly and to code. Before hiring any contractor, do your research. Get multiple quotes, check references, and ensure they have the necessary licenses and insurance. Remember, you're entrusting these professionals with a significant investment, so it's crucial to choose wisely. Additionally, be sure to factor in the time and cost associated with obtaining the necessary permits. Building codes vary by location, so it's essential to check with your local authorities to ensure your renovation plans comply with all regulations. Section 9. Conclusion and call to action. As we've discussed today, planning major renovations with equity in mind is a smart strategy for any homeowner. By focusing on high-impact areas, understanding market trends, and budgeting wisely, you can transform your house into a valuable asset while creating a space you'll love for years to come. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about renovations and their impact on your home's value, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions that benefit you financially and enhance your living space. One last thing, if there is a topic you would like us to cover, please add it in the comment section. Also, take a moment to share and like this video. Thank you.